Hey guys, welcome back to Oz Biker. Today I'm riding with Shane over in the back there. He's on the Honda 300 Rally. Mad Bruce, he's on the T7 Yami. I'm on the Aprilia. So let's go riding guys. I hope you enjoy the video and I'll chat soon. Which way they go? Oh, straight ahead. It's an old rickety bridge, that one. I don't know if you've seen that in the video. Amazing, this is so beautiful in here guys. We're out the back of geez, where are we? Belthorpe. Pull me visor down, there's thousands of bugs. Oh wow-wee. There's big piles of bugs and you just run into them. Half of them are in my helmet now. It's a funny feeling, they're all crawling around your ears. Few logs down and trees, yeah. Just open up my visor to get them out. Hope you're enjoying the tracks guys. I'll find out where it was. Back of Belthorpe, that's where it is. In Queensland, Australia naturally. Just got to watch those logs that your front wheel doesn't hit them sideways guys, because that's a recipe for disaster. Take it from a gentleman that's had some experience with that from doing enduro. That's how I ended up destroying my knee. I meant to have a knee replacement, but that ain't going to happen while I can still walk and do this. That's why I'm actually hitting the gym more and more to build the muscles up around my knee, because every time you sort of bend and that, it sits there clicking and carrying on and feeling all funny, making weird sounds. Whoa! You right? Do you want a hand?
Got it.
Well, that's your first stack for a long time.
I'll need a hand this time.
Well, that's 2 drops for Bruce. He very rarely drops his bike. Only thing I might do with this is put the an extension on the peg, not the peg, the stand, because it really leans over, eh? And if you're on a little bit of an angle like that, it's quite near impossible to get it back up. Maybe if I train my legs harder I might be able to. I still don't think I'd be able to. Easy. The handling of the bike's sort of exceeding my expectations at the moment. It's really good. And the lower tyre pressure has definitely helped. I'm getting these new handguards, guys. I'll do a video on that. They're amazing, I'm telling you. They're one of the best handguards I've seen. They don't attach to your bars, they attach to your front clamp. And so you can actually turn them down without any fear of them hitting your tank. Like the Barkbusters, you turn them down and they hit your tank, where these clamp onto your front clamp on your in the center of your bars. They give you a whole new clamp. Get up here to catch up Shane. see if Bruce is behind us. Yep. You wouldn't want to come over there full tilt and hitting that. You'd know about it. Got to get this gear lever up. It's a nightmare trying to change gears. A little bit rocky descent. Just got her in first and engine brake. Trying to slow it down a bit. Because my back brake I've got to get adjusted. I've got to pretty well get my foot pointing to the ground to be able to for the brake to work. It needs to get adjusted and leveled up and just little things like that. But that'll all get done on the first service. I've probably got one more ride before that happens. We've come up behind. Very rarely that happens. Come up behind someone in the bush. Hey guys, hope you're enjoying the video. This hill, it's like a downhill for, oh mate, 4 kilometres. Unreal. This stuff on the right hand side, it's like little tiny ball bearings, like, and super slippery. If you brake hard on your front end on that, mate, hooray, your front end's down. And the other stuff, it's all rocks like size of golf balls up to tennis balls and a little bit bigger, so it's a really good little hill actually. What blew me away is there's a guy out in the middle of, we're out in the middle of nowhere, and he's inexperienced, he's out by himself on a 300L, nothing to do with the bike, but mate, out in the middle of the bush by yourself, and he's not experienced. You could tell he was as nervous as riding, but I thought he was crazy. Each their own. Yeah, I've got to say a big special thank you to my new subscribers and my existing subscribers. I think I've got 38 new subscribers in the last 2 weeks. Welcome aboard, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I've got to say too, guys, Merry Christmas to all of you. All the best for you and your families, and Christmas and in the new year. We're going riding actually on the 24th, but I'll post that video up after Christmas. So I've got to say, stay safe, guys, ride safe, and it's been a pleasure to have you come along with me and support me and doing all your comments and all that. So take care, guys, and see you real soon. Bye for now.